This is a crankshaft pulley gear for a high-performance engine. What we weld on there is a side belt guard flange to the main body of the pulley. Thickness is approximately 100 thousandths. What we are going to do is a continuous wave weld, or CW weld. The continuous wave weld will produce penetration approximately 3 times the width of the weld. So in this case, we are doing almost 100% penetration. Initially, we are doing tack welds 180 degrees apart so the side belt guard flange does not warp. Then, it's a continuous weld to completely join both parts. This laser is capable of CNC welding, but it was done manually.